Hi, welcome to the channel. In this video, I cover how to use AI to accelerate your career in analytics and data science. With the rise of AI, companies are increasingly interested in how to use AI for their own use cases. Questions about AI are coming up in job interviews for data scientists and analysts, but AI is also coming up in discussions with their current data science and analysts on their team to understand how they can use AI to help further the objectives that the company has. Let's get into it.
I'm Dr. Christy. I'm a researcher and a data science director, and I help analysts and data scientists take their career to the next level.
What is a process for developing some AI use cases so that you can start doing that today? I'm going to talk about the two types of AI use cases that are going to be easiest for you to start out with. The first is what I call general use case AI for data scientists and analysts, and the second is industry-specific AI use cases. So general use cases for AI. That means if you think about the life cycle of a data science or analytics project from scoping to deliverable, it goes through certain standard phases, regardless of what project you're doing. So check out my other videos on that if you want more detail, but it starts with scoping, data acquisition, modeling, mockups, your deliverable, and then measuring ROI. That's kind of a general overview. So you want to think through the project lifecycle, and you want to think about you as a data scientist or an analyst. How do you do those different parts of your project? And you want to think about what are the areas that could benefit from AI. And there's a couple of ways that you might think about this. So you might want to think about what is time consuming, what is super boring, what could be automated, what requires very little QA, what requires a lot of QA, what areas would you be okay if there's a little bit of error, what areas you would absolutely not be okay. You kind of want to think through these questions as you consider each phase of a typical project. So thinking through scoping, hypothesis development, data, modeling, deliverable, mockup, ROI, all those aspects. Where can AI help you to do that either faster, more efficiently, with fewer errors? And this is actually what I did in my other video. Those are some of those ideas, is coming from thinking about a project and seeing where can we immediately find a good use for AI. Hi, if you're enjoying this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. It's really helpful as I'm a brand new channel getting started and it makes a huge impact. Let's get back to the video. So the second way is industry-specific use cases. These are ideas where you're thinking about the specific industry that you work in. It might be tech, it might be health insurance, marketing, retirement, insurance, finance, any of these areas. You want to think about, just like you would with a normal analytics or data science project that you're scoping out, there's a problem, there's a challenge, you're thinking about how you can use data science or analytics to solve that problem, and then you work backwards in terms of what kind of deliverable would it be, how would it work, what kind of model, what kind of data would you need, and you kind of work backwards. You do the same thing, but this time you're thinking about AI as one of these solutions. So when you're thinking about modeling and what type of model and analysis would be best for that problem, here you're thinking about how could AI provide a type of solution. So for example, you might be doing customer analytics, so you're always looking at customer-oriented projects like customer engagement, customer satisfaction, customer complaints, rather than thinking about, okay, I'm going to use a predictive model to solve this problem about customers. You're thinking about how can I leverage AI to solve some problem related to customers. That's how you kind of want to think about it, is problems that are specific to your industry and that you're normally thinking about analytics and data science as solutions. You want to think about how is AI going to help you create a solution, or AI along with modeling and analytics, how can you use those things as additional tools to build a deliverable that's going to solve that problem that they have. So it might be things like data processing, data cleaning, developing a QA protocol, any of those things that might help you create a solution. So that's it for today. If you like this video, I hope you'll give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next one.